Today we are making a 3-tiered Christmas cake, and we're gonna top it off with some metallic drip, and we're gonna mix it up the same way that we do to make my gold drip, and we're gonna decorate this Christmas cake and we're gonna make it shiny. Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. To start making this fun 3-tiered cake, I have frosted a white 8-inch cake, a green 6-inch cake, and a red 4-inch cake, and now we are going to dowel them up so that we can stack them on top of each other. These are what I use to dowel my cakes. They're just bubble tea straws, you can see right through them, and we're just gonna cut a few of these, and really you don't have to cut it to the exact size of the cake yet. What I do is just cut it a little bit close enough, and then I'll stick them into the cake as you can see that I'm doing right now. Then I will pull them out just a little bit, cut it, and then we push them right in, and you're able to get them right flat and nice inside that cake. So we're just doweling up our cakes, and then we're gonna stack them. I've got my green 6-inch cake, and we are gonna stack that right on top. Make sure when you're stacking your cakes that it is cold. Put it in the freezer so that your fingerprints don't make marks in your nice smooth buttercream. And now we have to put our 4-inch red cake on top. And there we have it, you guys. We have a stacked Christmas 3-tiered cake. Now you can do whatever you want to cover up those seams, but today I'm using sprinkles. I know, right? Sprinkles in me. I'm just gonna push some sprinkles right around the sides of each of these cakes. Now that we have the sprinkles all around our cake, it's time for the drip. And you guys know how I make my drip. If you want, you can click right here and it will take you back to all the details of how I make my gold metallic drip. Today, I'm using products from ROXY and RICH. You can see I use their Fawn Dust, and it's just some red dust, and I put it in the buttercream, and it made it so red and so beautiful without having to put so much food coloring in. This is amazing, ROXY and RICH Fawn Dust. To create this fun metallic drip, we're gonna do a colorful metallic drip on this cake. Instead of the gold, we're gonna do some gold, but we're gonna add some color. I've never done colored metallic drip, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out on this cake. We are using the ROXY and RICH Lustre Dust, and it is edible, guys. And this is what we're gonna be using to make that fun metallic drip on our cake. We're using green Lustre Dust, and it's the same recipe that I showed you when I did my gold drip. We are gonna put 3/4 teaspoon into our little bowl. We're also gonna add a teaspoon of lemon extract and a tablespoon of powdered sugar. I'm going to add a little bit more lemon extract to this, and we're gonna get it to that nice consistency. Make sure that it's not super, super thin, or else it's just gonna run all the way down your cake. For these drips, I like to make it a little bit thicker so it doesn't drip all the way down. But if you guys want a drip that goes down, which is so beautiful too, that works, make it thinner. Today, I'm making it pretty thick, so it's not gonna run, it's just gonna sit nicely on my cake. We're just gonna start dripping it with my spoon down the top of this cake. Just slowly put it with your spoon and just go, just let it go. Just drip it down that cake. Now we're gonna add a little bit of gold. We're just gonna drip it down this cake, nice and easy. Now we are gonna add a little bit of red Lustre Dust. We're gonna get our spoon and drip it down the sides of the cake. It's so shiny. Okay, sorry, I'm getting, sidetracked here. And then we're gonna add my macarons that I made. We have to fill them. I'll have a macaron video coming up soon, but today you guys are just gonna see that I'm just filling my macarons with some buttercream. I also used that Fawn Dust to color my macarons, and it made them so vibrant and red. I love it. Thank you, ROXY and RICH. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of shimmer on top. We're gonna do some gold and some green on top of these macarons, and then we're gonna set them on top of our cake to finish it off. I'm gonna add a little bit of gold leaf. Voila, there you have it, guys. A 3-tiered metallic drip Christmas cake. Thanks so much for hanging out as we created this seriously pretty 3-tiered Christmas metallic drip cake. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Have an awesome day.